efficiency educator here. I'm having a low energy moment, as most of us do throughout the day, and this is where I do some simple tasks that don't take up too much brain power. So let me show you very quickly how you can get rid of hundreds of emails that you've subscribed to, very simply showing you no value and just add to your stress and overwhelm of your day. So I go to a website called Unrolled.me. Unrolled.me, I'll put it in the comments there for you. And very simply, it will show you everything you subscribe to. Now, what's pretty scary for me is I've subscribed to over 200 things, but there's lots and lots of value so from time to time, I need to make a decision on whether I want to keep them. And what it allows you to do is one of three things. You can either add it to a roll-up, and what this means here is that it will send you a daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly email from Unrolled.me where it will take in all the things you subscribe to that you've received within that time frame, put it into one email instead of hundreds of emails taking up your mailbox. If it's super important, I can click to keep it in the inbox, or I believe that it's of no value to me, I'm going to click on unsubscribe, which I'm not going to do right now because there is quite a few here that I have great value from. So let me show you what that email looks like that you'll get. This is a little while ago, but it's a good example. It shows I get it daily sent to me because there is quite a lot that's important, and on my low energy times I do decide to go and read all the newsletters and things that I've subscribed to, as you can see here, and I can make a decision on what I believe is valuable for me to read today and not. See here, on this particular day, 130 new subscriptions. It gives me a bit of a reminder. I do love to subscribe to new things. I do subscribe, check if they're valuable, I either roll them up or I keep them in my inbox. So that's very simply how you, within just a few minutes, can get rid of unwanted emails, get rid of the stress and the overwhelm. That's Unrolled.me, and I will absolutely wish you an efficient day.